In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw and animate a hand-drawn circle in PowerPoint. This is a wonderful way to add a personal touch and animated flair to your presentations, making them not only more engaging but also visually appealing. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, open up PowerPoint on your computer. You'll want to have your PowerPoint presentation ready because we're going to work directly within it. Once you have your presentation open, navigate to the Draw tab. This tab is a fantastic tool for anyone wanting to add freehand drawings to their slides. Now once you're in the Draw tab, you'll find various options at your disposal. For this particular tutorial, select any pencil tool that you prefer. The pencil tool allows you to draw freestyle, and it's perfect for creating that hand-drawn effect we're going for today. Make sure you're comfortable with your pencil choice before moving forward. Next, it's time to draw your circle. Don't worry about making it perfect. The beauty of this feature is its authenticity through imperfection. When you're drawing your circle, let your hand flow naturally. If you find it challenging to draw a perfect circle, remember that practice makes perfect, and a quirky hand-drawn look is part of what makes this technique appealing. Once you've drawn your circle, our next step is to animate it. Head over to the animation tab located near the top of your screen. By clicking this tab, you'll be given a whole new menu devoted to bringing your drawings to life through various animations available in PowerPoint. In the animation tab, you'll see an animation drop-down. Go ahead and click on that to view your animation choices. The option that we're interested in for today's tutorial is the replay animation. Selecting this effect will give your circle that esteemed animated quality, as it essentially retraces your drawing path, creating a captivating hand-drawn effect. And there you have it. With your replay animation chosen, your hand-drawn circle is not only unique but also animated, ready to impress your audience in your next PowerPoint presentation. Remember, these steps can be applied to different shapes and lines, expanding your creative options significantly. As always, feel free to tweak and explore the animation effects to find what suits the mood and tone of your presentation best. This concludes our tutorial on how to draw and animate a hand-drawn circle in PowerPoint. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and that it inspires you to experiment with more creative ideas in your future presentations. Thank you for watching and happy animating.